Hello everyone, I will introduce to you my game. It is Cat Adventure because the cat will find the portal at the forest. You should collect the 6 stars to use it to open the portal, and you should be careful of touching Thorn and other creature to avoid game over. And also the flower, because as you can see, the life bar was minimized or minus, that leads to game over. Click the last stars to open. Then you finish the game. So if you constantly touching the thorn and other creature, it leads to game over.
Let's preview.
So you failed to finish the adventure.